Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine waking up tomorrow unable to move your legs. The floor is no longer just beneath your feet. It becomes a barrier. Stairs are mountains, streets are oceans. Even standing face-to-face with a loved one feels unreachable. But at a laboratory in South Korea, scientists and engineers refuse to accept this reality. They call themselves KAIST EXO LAB, and their mission? To return mobility, dignity, and independence, one step at a time. The story begins at the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST. Known for breakthroughs in robotics, their engineers dared to dream. Could machines help humans walk again? Years of trials, setbacks, and redesigns led to what they now call the walk-on suit, a robotic exoskeleton designed to restore motion to paralyzed legs. The lab's vision is bold, to make the impossible possible. The walk-on suit is not just metal and wires, it's a symphony of engineering. Lightweight carbon frames support the body. Electric motors replace lost muscle power. Sensors read subtle body shifts. AI translates intent into movement. Every step is a dialogue. The human body whispers, the machine responds. Together, they walk. Technology alone does not move hearts, but stories do. Meet Ji-hoon, who lost mobility in a car accident. For 5 years, he only dreamed of standing again. In the walk-on suit, he took his first step toward his mother. Her tears said everything. Then there's Soo Min, a stroke survivor who thought she'd never walk her daughter down the aisle. With the exoskeleton, that dream may soon be reality. Walking is not simple. It's one of biology's greatest feats. Balancing, shifting, propelling. To replicate it, engineers had to decode the language of movement. They mapped muscle activity. They measured ground reaction forces. They trained artificial intelligence to predict the human will to move. What we see as a step, the suit sees as equations. What we feel is freedom, the suit delivers as engineering. Strapping into the walk-on suit is not like flipping a switch. Patients undergo weeks of training. The body learns to trust the machine learns the patient's rhythm. It's not just physical rehabilitation, it's psychological rebirth. Step by step, confidence grows, and with it, the courage to reclaim life. Whenever machines meet human lives, questions arise. Are we replacing the body or empowering it? At KAIST EXO LAB, the answer is clear. This is not about replacing humanity. It's about amplifying it. The walk-on suit is not a machine you wear. It becomes part of you, a partner, not a master. Like all innovations, the walk-on suit has obstacles. The suits are expensive. They require careful supervision. Battery life and mobility range remain limited. And yet, every challenge is an opportunity. As technology advances, costs drop. As AI evolves, performance improves. As society embraces accessibility, adoption spreads. What if these exoskeletons became as common as wheelchairs? What if every rehabilitation center had them? What if one day they became affordable home devices? KAIST EXO LAB dreams of a world where no injury, no disorder, no limitation can silence the human ability to move. From hospitals to homes, to cities built for inclusivity, the exoskeleton could change not just lives, but societies. The walk-on suit began as a medical tool, but what if it could go further? Imagine workers lifting heavy loads with ease, firefighters walking into danger with superhuman endurance, astronauts exploring new planets with robotic strength. The line between rehabilitation and augmentation is thin. The exoskeleton may not just restore what was lost, it may expand what is possible. KAIST EXO LAB is not alone. From the United States to Europe, from Japan to China, research labs race to create their own versions. This is more than competition. It is collaboration, a shared dream of human mobility without limits. Together, these innovations may shape the next chapter of human evolution. For those who cannot walk, hope often fades. But the walk-on suit restores more than motion. It restores belief. Belief that the future is not defined by disability. Belief that technology serves humanity. Belief that even when the body falters, the spirit can rise.